Hello, today we're going to look at an RLC circuit. What we have here is we have our resistor, we have an inductor, and we have what's called a decade capacitor. It's a capacitor with various capacitance. Right now it's at 0.02 microfarads. But as you can see, I can up it the capacitance to kind of whatever I want it to be. This is all hooked up in series, where I go from my function generator to the resistor, to the inductor, to the capacitor, and back. Today I'm also going to be looking at the voltage over the resistor. And so I'll put in 2 more wires hooked up to a digital voltmeter. That should read 0 right now, or at least very close to it, and that'll give us the voltage on the resistor. It is on AC voltage because I will be doing AC. Now we're going to start at 1 kilohertz as our frequency. So I'll put this on 1, put this on K, and flip that on. Now what we're going to look at today is we are going to look at resonant frequency. See, I'm going to go and say, okay, right now frequency, that's all the voltage I have. I'm going to mess around with my frequency, and I'm going to find at what frequency that value maxes out. So I'm going to not bother showing you the rest of it right now, and I'll just start playing with this. And as you can see, as I up this knob, it just kept going up and up, but eventually it started going down again. So I'll go. Looks like 1.64 is my highest, which of course I can't find again. Good enough. And I don't necessarily care what that voltage is. What I care is what frequency that happened at. And I am going to record that frequency. In this case, that frequency corresponds to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yep. Just about 3.2 kiloohms. And I'll record that for my frequency in hertz. Everything else on here is calculations. What you're going to do is you're going to take the capacitance of this guy, convert it from microfarads to farads. You're then going to invert it, and the frequency here, you're going to square. And then you will be making a graph of f naught squared over c to the -1. From the slope of the graph, you should be able to get what the experimental value of the inductance is. We know what it really is, but you're going to be finding out a theoretical value. Good luck.